Okay, real talk. What's the point of making an AI video if it disappears in just 6 seconds? 6 seconds. That's it. Your character barely says hello, and the video is already over. But Grok just fixed this. Their newest update introduces a feature that extends your videos up to 30 full seconds. Plus, I have a bonus trick at the end that takes you even further than 30 seconds, and it's all completely free. Quick thing before we begin. Hit subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on ways to save money on these tools. Now, let's get into it. First, head over to Grok and jump into the Imagine section. This is our creative hub for all our images and videos. My plan is simple. Generate a high-quality image first, then bring it to life as a video. I'm typing in my prompt now. Just a quick tip. Ensure your mode is set to image and your ratio is 16:9 for that cinematic look. Hit generate, and boom. Grok just delivered these incredible results. I mean, the detail is amazing in all of them, but yeah, this one right here is the winner. Let's select it. Now for the magic part. Click Make Video, type what you want the character to say, and hit Generate once more. Just like that,
Ah, so warm. This is the best spot in the whole world.
you've got a professional video with spot-on lip sync and clear dialogue. But wait, this is where the real update begins, the Extend Video feature. After your video is ready, click on the 3 dots at the bottom. You'll see the Extend Video option right there. Just click it. You'll see Extend Video written below the clip now. And don't worry, it's super simple to use. Just type your prompt for what should happen next and click Generate. Grok will automatically join your first clip and the new scene into one smooth video. Just like that, your video is now 12 seconds long. See it for yourself.
Ah, so warm. This is the best spot in the whole world. What is that white stuff? It looks like floating feathers.
Here's the first scene.
Ah, so warm. Ah, so warm. This is the best spot in the whole world.
And now the second scene starts right here. Both are connected so smoothly.
What is that
And the
white
best
stuff?
part, even with this big
floating
update,
feathers.
Grok still hasn't added any watermarks.
So
Now, let's extend it again for a third scene. Just keep extending your video like this, adding a new prompt for every new scene. This time, I want to show you a very important tip. You can actually choose which frame to extend from. Usually, it's set to the last frame, but you can manually pick any frame, from the beginning, middle, or end. This is really useful if you didn't like how your scene ended. Just go back a little, select the frame you like, and extend from there. That part you didn't like is gone, and your story continues exactly how you want. This feature keeps the story going, and you'll easily turn your clip into a complete 30-second story. Now, let me point out a few important things. Watch what happens when I try to extend this video again. It won't allow it. That's because on Grok, you can only extend a video up to a total of 30 seconds. I've already reached that limit, so I can't extend it further. But I have a solution for that too. Before that, let's understand how this works. On the free plan, each extension adds 6 seconds, up to a 30-second maximum. Since I'm on the free plan, I get 6 seconds each time. On a paid plan, you can extend by up to 10 seconds at a time. Now that your story is set, let me show you one more great feature, Video Upscale. This option existed before, but the exciting part is that now you can upscale your entire 30-second video all at once. Check it out. Click the 3 dots on your final video and select Upscale Video. In just a few seconds, your entire video upgrades to high definition. But what if you want a video longer than 30 seconds? Here is the secret method. We've reached Grok's limit for this video, but we still need it to be longer. So here's the trick. Find the frame in your video where you want the next scene to begin. Let me pick a good one. This frame works. Right-click on your chosen frame and click Copy Video Frame. Then, go back to Grok's Imagine section, paste the copied frame, and write your next scene's prompt. Keep the settings the same, Mode Video and Aspect Ratio 16:9, and click Generate. Your next scene will generate and match perfectly with your first video. Now, just like before, you can keep extending this new clip up to another 30 seconds. By joining these two parts, you've just made a 1-minute video. Using this same trick, you can easily make videos that are 3 minutes, 10 minutes, or even longer. Then, simply join your clips in any editing tool, like CapCut. With this method, you can make videos of any length, completely free. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to use Grok's new update to make long AI videos for free. I really hope this helps you create something amazing. I just want to share what actually works so you don't waste your time. Now, go give it a try. If you run into any problems or have a question, just leave a comment. I'll be there to help you out. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next AI tutorial. Also, turn on the bell icon so you're always updated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.